I don't know about you, but one of my favorite things to drink on a hot summer day is full glass of lemonade made from the juicy lemons and lots of sugar. If you like to drink lemonade, then stay with us and we're going to show you how to make it yourself. Good morning, kids.
Good morning, Mrs. Spiky.
Have you ever heard the phrase, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade?
Yeah.
What do you think it means?
It probably means, well, when someone gives you a lemon, you should make lemonade with it.
Well, listen, once I had a very bad day. I got a bad grade at school. My friends didn't want to play with me. I was so sad, and when I came home, my mom said, "Why are you so sour, like a lemon?" I told her about my bad day, and she said, "I understand, but you should know, when life gives you lemons, sour days, just make lemonade." And so we did. We squeezed the juice from a bunch of lemons, added sugar and water, and my day turned from sour to sweet. What letter is the word lemonade starts with?
L.
Yes. Do you guys want to make lemonade?
Yes! Yes!
All right, well, I think we got all the ingredients to make regular lemonade or pink lemonade.
Can we make both?
I think so. Tell me, what do you guys have on the table?
We have lemons.
Sugar and water.
Raspberry.
And more water. And a lemon mixer.
Lemon shredder.
Straws.
Yeah, we have straws too. And
a
knives.
knife and spoon. And a sign.
What type of lemonade do you want to make first?
Let's make regular lemonade first.
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. Go for it.
Okay, let me cut some lemons. Give me the lemon.
Oh, this one's already squeezed.
Okay,
Mine's
guys.
not.
Okay, here's the first lemon. Half. Give me the lemons, please.
We need to
So
roll
I
it.
can cut more for you. Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's cool.
That's a lot of seeds.
I don't think it's attached properly. Here's another one. And this one's for me.
Ooh, it smells weird.
Smells like lemons. I think that's enough. Look at the lemon.
No, it's still dropping.
Yeah, that's good. Put it over there. Then you squeeze one. Oh, here's the second lemon after. We'll all squeeze one.
Oh, look how much juice there already is.
I check the lemon real quick. A bit more. I think that's good now.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
So guys, I want to ask you a question. What other words that start with letter L are important to you?
Love.
Oh, Christian, that's a good one. Why is love important to you?
Because without love, I won't love my parents.
Oh, thank you. That's a good one.
Also, loyalty.
Oh, why is that?
Because if I didn't have loyal friends, or if I wasn't loyal to my friends, then I probably wouldn't have any friends if I wasn't loyal to them.
Melissa, what about you? What is your favorite word?
Liberty.
Liberty. Tell me why.
Because without liberty, we would always be sad because we're trapped and we can't really even have fun.
That is so true.
I have another one.
Okay.
Laughter. If you didn't have laughter, then I don't think you would find anything funny, and life would just kind of be sad because you didn't have a
Fun.
laugh or anything. You didn't really have fun.
I have one. Life. If we wouldn't have life, we wouldn't be here. And there wouldn't be trees, grass, animals.
That's absolutely true. Thank you, guys. Well, keep going. Keep doing your lemonade.
Oh yeah, and lemons are important because without lemons, you can't make lemonade.
That is so true.
That's already a lot of lemon juice.
Yeah, that's a lot.
A little bit more.
Just a little bit.
Don't press too hard. That's good. Not a lot of juice is coming. Time for Melissa's lemon now.
A bit to the side.
No, it's okay.
Check your lemon now. A little bit more. That's good now. That's good now.
There's lots of pulp and lots of sweet.
Okay, so now we take the water and let's pour the lemon juice in there.
Can I go?
Sure. Just be careful not to spill any.
Let's do a bit there.
No, wait, I don't know.
Let's do
Put
it
all
all
of
in one, right?
Yeah, and then we'll make more later.
This could be the yellow lemonade and that could be the raspberry.
I'll do
Okay.
the sugar.
Don't put all of it, just put a little bit.
Okay, raspberry for
Oh, there, I think that's good. Now I will mix it. It's mixing pretty well. Oh, it's turning into a
Oh, it's
tornado.
making like a tornado.
Yay, tornado.
Water tornado.
Water tornadoes. Okay, I think that's enough mixing.
Regina, what if I asked you to cut one lemon into slices and put it inside? Maybe that
Okay.
will look good too. Yes.
Cut that part off.
Okay, one.
No, don't use this.
Yeah. Okay, one. Oops.
Maybe you should cut
Two.
some more and we could put some in on the sides and then some inside.
Three. Oops. And one more. Oh, this one got kind of ruined. So I guess we're not going to use that one.
No, we can put it on the side. Like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, just like there. Now we'll put some lemons. There's 3 of them. So each of us can put one. Oops. Floppy.
So there's still gonna be some more like
Yeah.
juice of the real lemon juice.
Now let's make some. Now everyone, we should roll out another lemon to make the raspberry lemonade.
Regina,
Yes.
can you tell us what the secret ingredient is?
The secret ingredient is
Isn't that a food coloring that's made from some fruits or beets? Something like
yeah.
that? Oh,
Can I-
yeah.
time for
Melissa,
me
you
to
should
pour.
use
Wait,
this
wait,
spoon.
we need
Yeah, wait. Put it back. So that you can use the spoon to put some more in. Put some more powder in.
Christian. But don't do too much.
There.
It'll go.
Now,
It's my turn.
now I think we should mix it first.
Yeah.
I think it's okay.
No, we need to mix it.
Should we add some extra raspberry extra raspberry stuff to our lemonade?
Of course.
It's a little bit squished, but it's still pretty good.
Christian, we can't get the sweat. Or else it won't work.
Now let's pour the lemon juice. Christian, you can pour it now. And Melissa, after he does that, you can pour the sugar. Ooh, that looks so good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that is yummy.
Now, Melissa, you can add some more sugar. Okay. Melissa, now you can add the sugar. Now I'll mix it. My hands are really red from the food dye.
And they're sticky.
Yeah.
But that's fine. We can wash them later.
There.
You guys ready to try your lemonade?
Yes.
Yeah.
I know lemonade is great when you have someone to share it with.
Yeah. Let me get
I
the
heard
cups.
you have a friend here today. Is that true?
Yeah.
Who do you have
Jasmine,
here?
come on.
Oh, hi, Jasmine.
Who?
Try some of your lemonade?
Sure. What type does everyone want?
I want raspberry.
Okay. Let me pour you some raspberry.
Which one do you want? I think I'll also have some of the raspberry one.
Okay.
It's really good.
I think I'm gonna have raspberry too.
Can we
And then
start
after-
drinking, Mr. Spiky?
Yes, of course.
Do you,
Save one
Melissa,
for
which
me.
one do you want? Raspberry?
Raspberry.
It's so good.
I know. Everyone will get a straw too. Which color do you want, Regina?
I think I'm gonna have the light blue.
Okay, I'll have the dark blue one.
Here's yours.
It's so good.
Mm-hmm. You know, I'm gonna mix it with some of this.
Oh, yeah. I want some over here. I was already.
Okay.
This is
do you want
one
the
of
same?
the best lemonade I've ever tried.
Thank you. Do you want to mix it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Oops.
Tastes even
Yeah.
more sour, but better.
Melissa, you want to mix it too? Okay. Can you put your glass right here? There. Let's try it when it's mixed.
I forgot to mix it.
Mm.
It's really good.
Yes. This is also the best lemonade I've ever tried. It's better than the store-bought ones.
Yeah.
Also in the restaurant, it's better.
Exactly. Because it's made with a lot of love. I mean, raspberry's good for you.
Kids, I had so much fun spending time with you today. Here's my last question. When life gives you lemons, what do you do?
Make lemonade! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Next week, we're going to release a new episode. If you don't want to miss it,
Then don't forget to like and subscribe!